When you have sat for an excessive amount of time, have you ever experienced a numbness in your legs? Or perhaps you stand up, only to experience feelings of lightheadedness and lethargy? Try to picture yourself waking up one morning with a sudden sharp pain in your leg or chest, only to discover that a silent blood clot has been forming inside your body the entire time. It is possible for this concealed threat to strike without any prior warning, resulting in heart attacks, strokes, or even premature death. On the other hand, there is some good news. Research has revealed that some strong fruits may naturally break down blood clots and better circulation. In this video, we will discuss the 5 fruits that are considered to be the greatest in terms of their ability to maintain a smooth flow of blood and lower the likelihood of developing a potentially fatal blood clot. Make sure you see this video if you want to protect yourself and the people you care about from potentially life-threatening blood clots. In the event that you remain with me to the very end, I will demonstrate how these 5 incredible fruits may assist in the natural melting of blood clots and boost your overall wellness. It's time to get started. Number 1. Pomegranate. For our cardiovascular system, the pomegranate is not only a fruit that is sweet and tasty, but it is also a great source of antioxidants. There are up to 10.2 milligrams of polyphenol, 236 milligrams of potassium, and most significantly, punicalagin, which is a potent antioxidant that can only be found in pomegranates. Pomegranates contain all of these nutrients in every 100 grams. As soldiers, these substances defend blood arteries by preventing plaque development and lowering the danger of blood clots. They also guard against disease. But what is it about the pomegranate that makes it so unique? Nitric oxide, NO, is a chemical that helps widen blood arteries, which in turn allows for greater blood flow and reduces strain on the heart. The secret lies in its capacity to increase the creation of nitric oxide, NO. Because arterial plaque is broken down, blood is able to flow more freely, which dramatically reduces the risk of blockages and strokes for the patient. Furthermore, pomegranate possesses anti-inflammatory characteristics and inhibits the oxidation of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, so safeguarding blood arteries from damage that extends over an extended period of time. Is there a certain way to consume pomegranate that would yield the best results? You should try to consume it first thing in the morning, when your body is most capable of absorbing antioxidants. However, here is an even more helpful piece of advice. In order to increase the efficiency with which your body absorbs polyphenol, you should juice pomegranate and add a pinch of black pepper to the juice. Piperine, which is found in black pepper, is a chemical that works to improve the body's ability to absorb nutrients and to boost blood circulation. A glass of pomegranate juice with a touch of black pepper seems like something out of the ordinary, doesn't it? However, it is a well-kept secret that will help you maintain a healthy heart. Number 2. Avocados. Have you ever considered the possibility that a luscious and dense avocado may assist in enhancing blood circulation? Avocado is not only a superfood for those who are trying to maintain a healthy diet, but it also includes up to 160 milligrams of omega-3 per 100 grams. Omega-3 is a beneficial lipid that helps lower LDL cholesterol, which in turn aids in avoiding plaque accumulation in the arteries. The American Heart Association reports that those who consume avocados on a weekly basis at least 3 times have a 26% decreased chance of developing cardiovascular disease in comparison to those who do not consume avocados. In addition, avocados are one of the most abundant sources of vitamin K, with around 21 micrograms of vitamin K being included in each 100 grams of avocados. The balance between the natural process of blood thinning and the process of blood clotting is maintained by this vitamin, which plays an important part in the process. However, if the blood is too thin, it takes longer for wounds to cease bleeding, and if the blood is too thick, the chance of blood clots increases. This balance is extremely important. Because of their one-of-a-kind quality, avocados are a very good option for maintaining cardiovascular health. Do you have any experience eating an avocado when it is still in its peel? Even though it might sound strange, it is a secret that is not well recognized. Flavonoids are substances that naturally thin the blood, help prevent blood clots, and reduce inflammation in blood vessels. The avocado peel contains a substantial quantity of flavonoids, which are used in the mixture. Number 3. Grapes. Grapes are not only a delectable fruit, but they also serve as a silent protector of our cardiovascular system through their antioxidant properties. Specifically, red and purple grapes are known to contain a chemical known as resveratrol, which is particularly important. Every 100 grams of grapes can include anywhere from 0.2 to 5.8 milligrams of resveratrol, with the majority of the resveratrol being localized in the skin. What is it about grapes that make them so powerful? Platelets are an essential component in the process of blood clotting that occurs within our bodies. However, if they adhere to one another in an excessive manner, they have the potential to form clots that obstruct arteries. By acting as a regulator, resveratrol found in grapes helps to reduce the aggregation of platelets, which in turn helps to reduce the risk of cardiovascular events including stroke and heart attack. In addition, grapes contain a high concentration of flavonoids, which support the dilation of blood vessels, the improvement of circulation, and the reduction of strain applied to the heart. Here's a simple yet effective tip. Eat the whole grape instead of simply sipping the juice. Did you know that the skin contains 80% of the resveratrol that is found in the body? If you merely extract the juice, you're missing out on the most important portion. If you want to get the most out of the benefits, try freezing grapes and eating them as a snack. The consumption of frozen grapes, which preserve all of the nutrients and offer a texture that is both refreshing and crunchy, is a simple practice that can have a significant impact on the health of your heart. Number 4. Berries. Have you heard that eating a cup of berries every day, even if it's just a tiny cup, can help keep your heart healthy? Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are not only a delectable snack, but they also contain up to 300 to 500 milligrams of anthocyanins per 100 grams. Anthocyanins are an extremely potent antioxidant that decreases the viscosity of the blood and prevents blood clots from forming. In comparison to individuals who do not take berries on a regular basis, those who do drink them at least 3 times per week had a 33% decreased chance of having a stroke, as indicated by a study conducted by Harvard Health Publishing. That is an incredible amount of the total. Do you want to bring the advantages of berries to an even higher level? You might try soaking blueberries or strawberries in green tea for a few minutes before eating them. This would be a great way to prepare them. Green tea contains polyphenol, which, when combined with anthocyanins, have the ability to increase the rate at which blood vessels dilate while simultaneously increasing their antioxidant capacity. Do you agree that this is a straightforward yet exciting method for promoting heart health? Number 5. Kiwi. The kiwi fruit is not only a delectable fruit, but it is also an effective ally in the fight against risks to our circulatory system. There are roughly 92 milligrams of vitamin C, 2 grams of fiber, and most significantly, actinidin, which is a rare enzyme that is capable of breaking down fibrin, which is a protein that plays a major part in the formation of blood clots. Each 100 grams of kiwi includes actinidin. On the other hand, how does kiwi accomplish this feat? When it is necessary, fibrin assists in the process of clotting blood as it circulates throughout our bodies. If there is an excessive amount of fibrin, however, it can cause dangerous blood clots. The actinidin found in kiwi fruit performs the function of a biological scissors, facilitating the breakdown of fibrin, avoiding the development of clots, and maintaining smooth blood circulation. Further lowering the risk of cardiovascular disorders is the fact that kiwi fruit helps lower fibrinogen levels, which is a protein that is a precursor to fibrin. But what if you don't have any kiwi? Be not concerned. Pineapple is an excellent option since it includes bromelain, an enzyme that has fibrin-dissolving characteristics that are comparable to those of the enzyme. One fascinating truth, however, is that eating kiwi on an empty stomach is the best way to get the most out of its health advantages. Actinidin is most effective when administered in the stomach, which has a somewhat acidic environment. This environment improves absorption and facilitates the breakdown of fibrin. Final words. It is possible that your life may be in danger if you choose to disregard these potent fruits. In addition to being a silent killer, blood clots can strike at any time, which can result in fatal strokes, heart attacks, or blocked arteries. Your risks of developing life-threatening complications are increased if you do not take the necessary precautions to prevent blood circulation problems. And if a clot has caused major harm, it is possible that even the most skilled medical professionals will not be able to save you in time. We would appreciate it if you would like, share, and subscribe to this video if you found it to be useful. A greater number of people who are in need of life-changing health advice can receive it thanks to your assistance.